Hi everyone, my name is Vianney. I am a stay-at-home mom and I am here to tell you and show you all about this wonderful premium quality steak from onthefly.com. Look at this beautiful steak. This one right here is a bone-in ribeye or cowboy steak. Look at the beautiful marbling. These steaks come individually packaged. I love ordering from onthefly.com. The difference is that because they're being dry aged from 21 to 28 days, is that it gives them this nice, beautiful, stout flavor. I ordered my steaks and they were delivered as soon as 2 days to my door. What I like to do with my steaks is that I like to thaw them overnight in my fridge. Before I cook them, I like them to hang out on the counter for 20 minutes. My steak is about room temperature now. A good thing to remember is that with a good quality steak, less is more. So now I'm just gonna use Kosher Salt, Coarse, black pepper, nicely on each side. My pan has been heating up about medium high. We're gonna bring our steak into my pan now. Listen to the beautiful sound. My pan is perfect. You wanna hear that sizzle when you bring your steak into your pan. We're gonna cook it for about 5 minutes on each side. Okay, it's been 5 minutes and now I'm gonna flip my steak and we're gonna do the same on the other side. Beautiful. I can't wait to taste this beauty. Look at this beautiful caramelization. Now, like I said, I'm a stay-at-home mom. Don't be afraid to cook your steaks. This looks intimidating because it's a bad boy. But I am so excited that I get to show you how just a stay-at-home mom can do this on your own. So easy, simple, and you're gonna get a wonderful meal out of this. Well, my steak is been cooking now for 5 minutes on each side. And we're gonna go ahead and take it out. And we should have a nice medium steak. Right here before your eyes. Look at this beautiful, gorgeous steak. Remember, it's very important to let your steak rest so the juices can get flowing. I hope that you get the chance to order from onthefly.com to get your premium quality steaks delivered right to your door. Thanks so much for watching. Next time.